Welcome back to our channel app tutorial everybody, and today I'll teach you guys how you guys can send snap to everyone in one click on Snapchat. Alright, so for this thing to happen you need to first create a group in Snapchat, and at the top of my screen over here you can see different emojis like the 3 emoji, right? So those emoji, each emoji depicts a group. Alright, so you need to create a group, and don't worry, I'll teach you guys how you guys can do that. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, after opening your snap, click a photo, any random photo, and click on send to, and from over here where it says shortcuts at the top, click on it. Once you click on shortcut, click on new shortcut. Once you click on new shortcut, choose the people whom you want to be on this group. After you choose the people you want to be on this group, at the top where it says choose emoji, click on it. Now you need to symbolize this group with a emoji, so I'm going to symbolize it with this emoji over here. Once I choose the emoji, I can click on create shortcut. Once I do that, a shortcut has been created. Now what I can do is go back and click on the emoji at the top, as you guys can see, and these are all the people to whom the snap is going to be sent to. Alright, so once the group is created, what you can do is go back to your chat and scroll your chat a bit, and you can see your emoji. You can click on the emoji and click on the photo icon at the bottom. Once you click on it, click a random photo and click on the arrow button over here, and it's going to be sent to all the people at once, just like this. So yeah, that's how you guys can send snap to everybody in one click. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel app tutorial. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.